Hi, my name's Tom. I was sent these shoes to go ahead and give you all the cool features, and that's what I'm going to do. These are the NORTIV 8 kind of casual hiking shoe slash boot, and I really like these things. They are very, very comfy. They are soft on the inside. There's a cushioned heel. They are very, very easy to walk in. I haven't done a whole lot of hiking with them yet, and they're very, very lightweight. So these are kind of a lightweight casual shoe for just going out about town. You can hike with them. There are some treads on them. It's not real deep treads. They're not like mountain hiking treads. They're more like just regular kind of walking around. It is non-slip, so you're not going to slide. Again, I mostly just walked around in the house with them. I've done some chores. I went into the yard a little bit, came back. That's about all I've done so far. I haven't done any real hiking, but they are very comfy. My son, who happens to wear the same shoe size as me, also likes them, so we may have to go ahead and fight over these. I do want to show you a couple of these things about them. They are more supportive than you would think. It's a very lightweight material. It's strong but lightweight, and I want to show you up here. The ankle has those eyelets, so you can really kind of pull that tight, and it really does pull in and keep your ankle nice and secure. I have weak ankles. I cannot go ice skating, but that's actually really, really nice. I was able to pull them nice and tight and kind of keep everything structured and in place, and it just felt really good wearing these. You can kind of see the color. This is the all black. This is black on top here, the gray band on the side, and then kind of a black and gray sole. The shoelaces in this case are kind of a black and a gray. So you can just kind of see the tongue itself is also very cushioned. It's just a very comfortable shoe. But these are great for like maybe basketball with the guys, kind of going for walks, kind of going out on a nature trail, just kind of even going to work. They're comfy enough that if you work in a retail establishment, they are nice and soft, and they will keep you supported for that 6, 8, 10-hour shift, whatever it is. They are really, really good shoes, and I kind of highly recommend them. These are nice shoes.